Good morning, my lords. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. You guys, I'm headed to the gym. It is 7:30 in the morning. Got up in my bed, I straightened my room up, straightened the beauty room up, went to the gym early, coming back, taking a shower, getting myself together, and then I have a client at 10:30. So I will see you guys after the gym. In this place again, I told y'all I was gonna get back at it, and I'm listening to a motivational speaker. He is so good. It's my first time listening to him, but I'll let you guys know what his name is because right now he's not on the screen. But I will see you guys in a few. Ooh, okay, done with my workout, you guys. Now I'm about to go to the car wash because when I got my car washed on Saturday, it rained on Sunday, and I was waiting for the rain to go by. Lips are ashy, you guys. My bad. Let me get my stuff off the back seat. And I'm about to go to the car wash. Get that over with. Do I know what I'm cooking for dinner? No, but it's going to be something baked and not fried. I had a taste for a juicy salad, you guys. Like a salad with shrimp and eggs and everything in it. But I might do it with chicken because I can get a rotisserie chicken, chop it up. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. A nice salad for you guys. And what else do I have to do? I need to go buy me a printer. Yeah. Because my, oh wait, light turned green. Back at Wally World, y'all. Back at Wally World. Okay, my lowriders, we came to Wally World to get a salad and what else? Some salad dressing and a rotisserie chicken because I'm making rotisserie chicken. Actually, a chicken Caesar salad, and I'm chopping up some rotisserie chicken because they never have enough chicken in it to go in the salad with filet mignon steak and Texas toast. I'm not going to be cooking on film because I have some more running around and doing by the time I get home. It'll be too late to upload this video for today. Vlogtober day 16, you guys. I've been at this for 16 days. Oh my goodness. So yeah, walk me through Walmart as I find a salad dressing and rotisserie chicken. It's going to be a short trip walking through Walmart because I don't even feel like being here. So with that being said, that's what's up. Got my partner in crime, my husband, home. He leaves tomorrow. He's been here for about 4 days now. But anyway, all good things must come to an end. So with that being said, finish watching this video and you will probably see clips of the chicken Caesar salad and the filet mignon tomorrow. Have a few more runs to do. And plus my bestie is in town, so I know I'm not going to want to edit no video or do nothing like that. See you guys on Vlogtober day 17. When I said mini Walmart haul, you guys. I got the Italian dressing, the salad, the croutons, and the rotisserie chicken. Okay, we just have to go get another printer because my other one died on me. It was not communicating with my Wi-Fi, but guess what? Hooked the other one up and it's tripping, you guys. It's, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yep. But look at that printer up. Okay, we figured it out. I got the Wi-Fi connected to my printer. I have to shut it down because it got stuck. Yeah. So I'm gonna open it back up. That's it for today, you guys. The printer. That was a task. I was like irritated, highly irritated, but I got it done. See you tomorrow.